Hello and welcome. I'm Miss Emma.
Hello, I'm Miss Georgia, and today we are talking to you all about area.
What is area, you might be thinking? That's a very good question. Well, area is the measure of the space inside of 2D shapes.
We can measure area through the use of squares. The area of this rectangle, for example, can be calculated by using squares. How many of these squares do you think can fit into this rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This shape has an area of 10 squares.
If we use grid paper, this can make the process much easier. By counting the squares, we can see that the area of the first shape is 25 squares and the area of the second shape is 15 squares.
You may be wondering, why do we need to know about area? Well, area has actually been used in our everyday lives.
For example, area was used to calculate how much carpet was needed in your house, to determine how many plants can fit in your veggie patch, and to determine how much space is needed to build the tennis court that you play on.
So now you might be wondering, how do we calculate the area of a veggie patch when there are no visible squares?
The first step is determining the length and width of the veggie patch. As you can see, the length of the veggie patch is 5 meters and the width is 2 meters. We can then calculate the area of this veggie patch by using the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle. We use length times width.
So for this veggie patch, we must multiply our length, which is 5 meters, by the width, which is 2 meters. Then we can see that the area of the veggie patch is 10 squares. But because we have measured it in meters, this means that the area is 10 square meters. Isn't that cool?
That concludes our video for today. We hope you learned something new. See you next time!
Created using Powtoon.